Hi, my name is Patricia Velez. Welcome to my channel PV Consulting. From the previous video, you know that your business numbers are revenue, construction costs, gross profit, overheads, and net profit. Today, I am going to explain and answer where do you find your business numbers and to what to compare them. Your business numbers are found in your company profit and loss statement. The profit and loss statement is one of the most important financial statements. It is a statement that shows your company performance for a specific period of time. Let's look at the 2018 profit and loss from ABC Construction Services LLC. As you can see, the company registered $800,000 as a revenue that represents 100%. In the same year, the company registered $600,000 as a construction cost that represents 75% of their sales. After subtracting construction costs from revenue, the company has $200,000 as a gross profit that represents 25% of its sales. The percentage is known as a gross profit margin. The company also had $160,000 as a overheads that represents 20% of their sales. After subtracting overhead from gross profit, the company got $40,000 as a net income that represents 5% of their sales 2018. In other words, for every dollar the ABC Construction Services LLC sell, 75 cents go to cover construction costs, 20 cents go to cover its overheads, leaving 5 cents as a profit. Recently, the company received its profit and loss statement for 2019, and the owner wants to compare its business numbers with the previous year. As you can see, the company in 2019 sells $50,000 more than the previous year. Its construction cost structure are the same, 75%, at its gross profit margin, 25%. But its overheads increased in $27,000 that represent 22% of their 2019 sales, and make its net profit down to 3% of its 2019 sales. What happened? Why the company makes less profit if they sell more? Knowing that, the owner can see that the reason of why his company makes less profit is because his company spent more overheads, according to the example. But what kind of overhead his company spend more? Maybe the company spent more in marketing and advertising, which goal is increase the sales in future periods. Or maybe the owner hired more employees. To know the reason, the owner must analyze each component of their overheads. Besides the comparison of your business numbers within periods, your business numbers can be compared with the media of the industrial sector. You can compare revenues, construction costs, gross profit margin, overheads, and net profit. Based on the industrial sector, the media gross profit margin of single-family residential is 24%, commercial 16%, heavy and highway 24%, special trade 30%. Just saying that ABC Construction Services LLC is in the special trade sector, which according to the media of gross profit margin is 30%. Following the previous case, we see that the ABC Construction Services had 25% gross margin, that is less of the media. That means that the company needs to increase its profits and overhead markups or reduce its construction cost. So, what you can do if you know your business numbers? Make informed decisions such as control your overheads to increase your profit, increase your profit and overhead markup, exercise better control over your construction costs to increase your gross profit, improving your company's performance. Thank you. Please post your comments and questions. Feel free to join to my channel.